everyone. In the previous video we have studied about the overloading of main function, and in this video we will be studying about the command line argument. Command line arguments are the values which are given at runtime. It means these are the values which we didn't ask the user to enter some input, and these are the values which are not provided in the code. So these are the values which will be giving while running the program, and the command line values are stored in a string array. If you remember our first program video, in that first program we have explained that the main function contains an argument, that is string, an array of string, that is string args. We have given the name, we have made the string array. So every command line argument stored in this string array, and if every command line argument stored in the string array, that means that every command line argument is a string. So this is about the command line argument theory. Now we'll move to the command line arguments program, so we'll get a clear idea of it. This is our command line argument program. This is my public class. I have given the same file name, command line arguments, as we have explained it earlier. This is our main function, public static void main. This is string array which I was talking about, and here I have printed the two command line arguments. So these args0 and args1 are two strings which we will be passing at the runtime. So let me just compile this program and show you. I'm compiling this program like this, .java. I'm gonna run it. See, at this point while running the program, we are gonna at this point at the running the program we are gonna pass the argument. First I'm telling you that if we do not pass the arguments, what is gonna happen. See, there is an exception that it requires the command line argument, but we didn't pass it. There is an exception, array index out of bound exception. That means that we didn't pass any element in the array, and we are accessing the two elements of the array. One is at 0th position and next is at first position of the array. So now I'm gonna pass both the arguments. I'm gonna pass it like 5 and abc. See, now 5 and abc are printed. Now I'm just gonna pass 5 over here. See, there 5 is printed and exception come for this line that we didn't pass it and tries to run it. Now as I have told you that every argument we pass, that is the string element, because we are storing it in a string array. So now do not consider this 5 as an integer. This 5 is a string over here. Let me just tell you this. I'm gonna remove this line and add it args1, my first element and second element over here. I'm gonna compile the file again and run it, and now I'm gonna pass over here 5 3. So according to a normal program this should give 8, but this will not give 8, this will give a 53. It means that 5 is a string, 3 is a string, and by plus we are concatenating. Plus is used for concatenating two strings in Java. So if anything added to string becomes a string. So 5 is a string, 3 is a string, and we are concatenating those two things. So 53 is the answer. This is more similar like if we provide this thing, abc and bcd are two strings, and see, abc and bcd. So what if I want to pass some integer in command line argument, because 5 and 3 is taking as a string. So this will explain you in the next program that how to convert a string into a integer in Java. Thank you.